prepared your spiritual breakfast and hot beverage. While you slept, your cells restored all the organs in your body and your systems to their full capacity. So sit up. Take a deep breath of golden light, a gift from the universe, and bless yourself. You are tuned in and turned on to who you really are. You have a unique and important purpose, a mission your soul has come here to discover. It's another day of the adventure. With every day you've already completed in an eternal journey that has brought you here to this present moment. So let's honor it by taking 9 breaths and leaning into each word while we exhale. Ready? Breathe in. Hold. Perfect. Powerful. Strong. Loving. Harmonious. Happy. Brilliant. Beautiful. Pause at the bottom of the breath and feel the magical life force moving through your limbs. Yes. You are blessed. Today is a great day. Today, the value of my thoughts determines how I feel. If I catch myself thinking negatively, I know it's only leftovers from the old me, filtering out the programs I no longer need. I have a magical vortex full of things that I desire, and I'm actively manifesting. I allow new ideas to flow to me directly from the universe, along with abundance which flows easily. The more I acknowledge my gratitude for things I already have, I am tuning myself to the frequency of my own greatness. Of course, challenges are going to show up because I'm picking up momentum now, moving forward on my path. When I encounter something that doesn't feel good, I will simply notice it, watch it, remember to breathe, and say thank you to my guidance system that allows me to adjust, pivot, and upgrade further. I'm clarifying what I want and what will bring me the most joy. I'm surprised to find the outcome is often something better than I could even imagine for myself. I really am that bitch. My vibration is a magnet, attracting and pulling blessings into my life. All I have to do is be a vibrational match to what I want, find the feeling of already having it, and hold. I'm so grateful to be an extension of God, to know my purpose, which may not be